Hey, Teresa here with the Sterling Insurance Group. We get lots of phone calls for auto insurance quotes, and people say, I need full coverage on my auto. Well, you know what? That's a really vague term, so let's talk about that a little bit today. Now, your liability coverage is this one right up here, and it is specifically required by law. It protects whoever else you hit, and it takes care of them in those situations. Bodily injury as well as property. We have other videos that do break that down, so I'll link to those down below. We also have the voluntary coverages, the volunteer coverages that are not required by law, but they may be required by if you have a loan on your vehicle, okay? Those are going to include your uninsured, underinsured coverages, your personal injury protection coverages, as well as your comprehensive and your collision coverages. Now, we do have other videos breaking down those coverages as well, but all of those technically are voluntary. So therefore, if you say you have full coverage, you always have to have the liability, but really what most people mean whenever they say full coverage, they mean that they have comprehensive and collision. You especially have to have comprehensive and collision if you have a loan on your vehicle. The comprehensive and the collision specifically repair your vehicle if you are in an at-fault accident. What that does for you is it protects the loan if you have a loan, so that therefore the person or the company, the bank that is loaning you the money can recuperate their investment should for any reason your car be totaled out in an at-fault accident. Those coverages typically have variabilities in them. You can go anywhere from $100 deductibles up to a $5,000 deductible based on your coverage and your carrier. So do make sure that you take into consideration that whenever you say full coverage, you know what your deductibles are, you know what type of limits you carry as far as your liability, as far as your uninsured, underinsured, and your personal injury protection. Don't forget, every auto policy also has voluntary coverage when it comes to rental reimbursement and towing or roadside assistance. We'll cover those in other videos. I'm actually going to link to a lot of those down below. But please make sure that whenever you're talking about full coverage, you know that that typically will include your comprehensive and your collision deductibles, but those also have variabilities within those. Thanks so much for spending a little bit of time with me today. Again, my name is Teresa Kitchens. I am with the Sterling Insurance Group. If you have any questions about auto insurance or any other type of insurance, home, auto, motorcycle, boat, commercial, we are here to help you out. Give us a call at 972-964-4825. Have a great day.